Hello everyone and welcome back to another bake. Today is National Banana Bread Day. I'm going to show you how to make chocolate banana bread. You can make the batter and get it in the oven in under 15 minutes. So let's get started. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First, sift 120 grams of all-purpose flour with 30 grams of cocoa powder and 5 grams of baking soda. Add in 2 grams of salt, give it a mix and set aside. Mash up 4 very ripe medium bananas, about 345 grams, and set aside. Cream together 113 grams of room temperature unsalted butter with 100 grams of granulated sugar. Mix until it is light and fluffy. Be sure to scrape the bowl for even mixing. Mix in 100 grams of room temperature whole eggs and 2.5 grams of vanilla extract. Mix until well incorporated, and don't forget to scrape the bowl. Mix in mashed bananas until well incorporated. The batter will look broken, but don't worry, trust the process. Mix in the dried ingredients just until it comes together. You can fold by hand to ensure it does not get overmixed. If you would like the cake to be extra chocolatey, you can fold in 120 grams of chocolate chips into the batter. Grease and line your loaf pan with parchment paper for easy removal. Pour the batter into your pan and spread to an even layer. Sprinkle 40 grams of chocolate chip on top for garnish. Bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Allow cake to cool in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes, then remove and cool on a cooling rack. Simple, amazingly moist chocolate banana bread. It takes banana bread to a whole new level. You gotta try it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the like and subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell button for notifications. Leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Life is uncertain, eat dessert first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!